Welcome back, guys. I'm Steve, and today we are in the Tech Room, your trusty companion for all things tech. Whether you're a tech enthusiast looking for the latest innovations or a casual user seeking honest reviews, you've come to the right place. Join us as we dive deep into the realm of gadgets, gaming consoles, PCs, and more. In this video, we will be featuring the best gaming microphones in 2025. We often focus on graphics and gameplay, but audio matters just as much. A good mic makes communication clearer and streaming more enjoyable. These are some of the best gaming microphones to look out for in 2025. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. It's worth noting that the prices can change from time to time, so again, be sure to take a close look at the direct links for the updated price tags. On top of that, be sure to take a look at our landing page in the description for the complete list of all our products featured. So, let's get started. The fifth gaming microphone on our list is the Arozzi Colonna, priced at $49.99, which we have awarded a 4-badge rating. The voice quality is legitimately impressive for the price point, with clear, detailed capture that makes you sound natural, not like you're talking through a tin can. Here's where it gets interesting though. You get cardioid, bidirectional, and omnidirectional modes, switchable right on the mic. The cardioid mode does solid work rejecting keyboard clacks and background noise, though it won't save you if your roommate's blasting music next door. Setup is literally plug and play USB, works instantly with PC, Mac, and even consoles. You've got a gain knob, headphone volume dial, and a mute switch, all within easy reach. The headphone jack gives you zero latency monitoring, and the background noise rejection is pretty decent, but there's no fancy AI suppression built in. Actually, there's basically no software at all since it's purely analog control, which honestly keeps things simple. Build-wise, it feels sturdy with all metal construction, and you can mount it on any boom arm with the standard 5/8" thread. Now, there's no RGB here, just clean black aesthetics that might not appeal to some gamers. Our team recommends this for those who want a versatile, solid-sounding mic that just works without the learning curve. The fourth gaming microphone on our list is the NZXT Capsule Elite, priced at $59.99, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. This thing rocks a 24-bit, 192 kHz sample rate, which is honestly overkill in the best way possible. Your voice comes through detailed and rich, especially if you've got a deeper voice, because that large capsule captures low frequencies like a champ. The cardioid pattern here is tight, isolating your voice really well and rejecting background noise effectively. There's even a built-in pop filter, so your P's and T's don't blow out the audio. Connectivity is straightforward. USB, plug it in, and you're good. In terms of controls, you've got aluminum knobs for gain and headphone volume, plus a front-facing LED bar that shows your mute status and levels at a glance, which is super handy. The headphone monitoring is clean with zero latency, and you can tweak everything through NZXT's CAM software powered by DTS. Build quality is premium, metal stand, steel grille, and aluminum knobs. The multi-position design lets you pivot, tilt, and swivel it however you want. There's customizable RGB lighting on the back that you can sync through CAM if you're into that aesthetic. Only real downside is it's USB only, so no XLR flexibility. Our team recommends this for gamers who are already invested in NZXT's ecosystem and want seamless RGB sync across your whole setup. The third gaming microphone on our list is the Logitech G Yeti Orb, priced at $69.99, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. This little orb-shaped thing sounds way better than it has any right to at this price point. The cardioid pattern captures your voice clearly with surprising depth, especially if you've got bass in your voice, it picks that up nicely. The frequency response sits at 70 Hz to 20 kHz, which is solid for a budget mic, and the 24-bit 48 kHz recording keeps things crisp. Background rejection is pretty decent for a cardioid-only mic, though you'll still pick up loud stuff nearby. USB-C connection makes setup dead simple, literally plug and play with PC or Mac. Everything's handled through Logitech's G Hub software. But here's the thing, that software gives you blue voice processing with presets, EQ adjustments, and even some noise suppression, which is crazy for this price bracket. The build is all plastic and super lightweight, so it feels a bit cheap in hand, but that also makes it portable as hell. Comes with a basic desk stand that gets the job done, works flawlessly with all streaming software and platforms. There's also light sync RGB that you can customize through G Hub if you want your mic to match your Logitech setup. Heads up, there's zero physical controls on the device itself, which can be a hassle. Our team recommends this for gamers just starting out streaming or gaming and need something that sounds good without destroying their wallet. The second gaming microphone on our list is the HyperX QuadCast S, priced at $99.99, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. Sound quality is genuinely excellent right out of the box, with clear, rich audio that makes you sound professional immediately. It records at 48 kHz and 16-bit, which is perfectly solid for streaming and content creation. What makes this thing special is the 4 polar patterns you can switch between: cardioid for solo streaming, stereo for instruments or dual voice, omnidirectional for group conversations, and bidirectional for interviews. The cardioid mode especially does a fantastic job at isolating your voice and rejecting background noise. USB-C connection keeps things modern and reliable. The tap to mute capacitive button on top is honestly genius. Just tap it, and the RGB indicator shuts off so you know you're muted. There's a gain control dial on the bottom and a built-in headphone jack with volume control for zero latency monitoring. The built-in shock mount and pop filter handle vibrations and plosives really well without needing extra gear. You can tweak settings through HyperX's Ingenuity software, though honestly, the software is pretty bare bones. Build quality is solid metal construction that feels premium, and it comes with its own shock mount built right in. Works perfectly with PC, Mac, PS4, and PS5. Again, there's no XLR option available, meaning you'll have to rely on USB only. Our team recommends this for streamers who want plug-and-play excellence and a mic that already sounds professional without tweaking. The best gaming microphone on our list is the Blue Yeti USB microphone, priced at $129.99, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. This is the mic that basically started the whole USB streaming mic craze. Audio quality still holds up surprisingly well with that triple capsule array, delivering clear, detailed sound that captures everything from deep voice tones to higher frequencies with solid accuracy. You get 4 pickup patterns to play with: cardioid for solo work, stereo for music or ambient recording, omnidirectional for group setups, and bidirectional for interviews or podcast duos. The cardioid mode does a decent job at background rejection, though it's definitely sensitive and will pick up keyboard noise if you're aggressive with your typing. USB plug-and-play keeps setup brainless. All the controls you need are right on the mic itself: headphone volume knob, pattern selector, mute button, and gain control. The zero latency headphone monitoring through the 3.5mm jack is solid for real-time feedback. Blue voice effects through the software add some processing options like noise reduction and EQ presets, which is nice but not game-changing. Build quality is all metal with a hefty weight that keeps it stable on the desk. The included stand is adjustable but basic. You'll probably want a boom arm eventually. Works with everything: PC, Mac, and pretty much any recording software you throw at it. No RGB or flashy stuff here, just classic retro aesthetics. Keep in mind, it's huge and heavy, which takes up serious desk space. Our team recommends this for gamers who want a reliable workhorse that's been proven over years. And there you have it, folks, the best gaming microphones in 2025. If you like this video and I helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button. If you have a question or a product you want us to review, be sure to drop your recommendations in the comments below. Until next time, this is Steve signing off, reminding you to stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our tech rooms great.